Okay, our project today is about cheap hydrogen production. This is a project that functions on how to create a system that can produce hydrogen and create a fuel cell that is cheap. At first, by combining our two solutions, we see that two layers are formed. A layer is formed between the two solutions. When we combine our solutions, the top layer is alkaline while the bottom layer is acidic, which is a new principle in chemistry where both acids and bases are in the same container but they do not react. We see the layer separates them, preventing the reaction to occur. But when we introduce our catalysts into the reaction, where we have our carbon catalyst that is added to the basic layer and copper catalyst added to the acidic layer, which is at the bottom, we observe a high rate of effervescence, which we can conclude is that the electrons that oxidizes the hydrogen ions in the basic solution are travel through the conductor to the acidic solution where they reduce the hydrogen ions to hydrogen gas. We observe that from our thermometer a constant voltage of 0.5 volts is observed. This is a remarkable achievement since it is impossible to observe effervescence without current passing through the electrolyte for production of hydrogen and oxygen gas. Assuming that our system, which you see already here, contains a few impurities, we see that it's 0.5, of which we believe the maximum will be 0.8 volts. Once connected at around, let's say 1000 pieces are connected together, we can say that you will observe that around 500 volts will be produced, which will be enough to run a vehicle. Hence, this system, we can say that it will be much cheaper compared to the common fuel cell that we have that uses the PEM membrane and hydrogen gas. Another advantage of our system is the fact that the system does not require refilling of the electrolytes. Only water will be added to maintain the concentration of both the two solutions, the acidic and the alkaline solution, which is the main aim of the process. If this project is implemented or supported, we believe that it can bring about the change in development where fossil fuel will be replaced by water as a fuel itself. Now, another thing that we see that if current, when we connect the catalyst, we observe that there is effervescence once the circuit is completed. Believing that using that small comparison, assuming that we place 20 amperes to the solution in large scale, we believe hydrogen gas and oxygen gas will be produced at a large rate and now will not be used as a one which will be used in fuel cell but rather in aerospace technology, since hydrogen, although it's a good gas, its explosive property makes it a very dangerous gas considering its effect. We believe this will be a new change that once incorporated can bring development to our nation. To contact us either for investors or buyers of the project to understand the materials and how the solutions are created, you can contact us through our email address or the number provided below.